Hey, what's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make another Clash of Clans account. So if you are connected to your Supercell ID, you're gonna have to log out from it and follow what I'm gonna do. Okay, don't worry, it's gonna be quick and easy. Alright, since we can't find it from here, click on the Supercell and settings underneath and log out. Now log in without play without Supercell ID, and the Clash of Clans will open to a new account or new fresh Clash of Clans, which you will start from nothing, only Town Hall. So what you need to do here is just quickly build this need to be built up. Now it's time to register this into Supercell. You must have your email address ready and you must use a new email address so that if you switch from another account to another account, then you can just pick the account that you wanted to use. You can either use the old one or you can use the new one. So simply go to Supercell and click to new Supercell or register now, which basically will ask you for your email address, and here you can enter the email address. Okay, once you've done entering the email address, you will be asked to enter the confirmation code, and you just go to Gmail or from your inbox and find those 6 digits numbers and quickly enter it into Supercell. As you can see, everything is done, and once you've done that, you can simply go back to the Supercell and you can switch from one account to another. Thank you.